Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you another little unboxing, and that is from Bookroo, and they actually sent me this package, so thank you guys so much. This is not sponsored or anything once again, but they did send me this, so I'm going to be unboxing it for you guys. This is the first box from them that I have ever gotten, and if you don't know what they are, basically it's just a subscription, a monthly subscription box for your kids. Okay, and the mission behind this is basically just to motivate moms to build your children's library at an affordable cost, because as you guys know, sometimes buying books new is not that cheap. There's a lot of books that are pretty pricey unless you're buying them secondhand. So this is a fun little way for kids to enjoy reading. And they also break it up into age groups. So 0 to 3 is board books, and then 2 to 6 is picture books, and then from 7 to 10 is chapter books. So they have age appropriate books for kids all the way up to 10 years of age, which is really nice. But yeah, I haven't opened this yet or anything, so I'm going to go ahead and unbox it and see what they sent. And I actually don't know if they sent books for Arabella, if they sent books for Kylan, or if they sent books for both, so we're going to figure that out. Okay. How cute! Oh my goodness, look how cute. How cute is this, you guys? This is what it looks like when you first open it, and they're individually wrapped. This is the cutest packaging that I've ever seen, okay? I just can't get over the packaging. Okay, so it comes with this like little catalog type thing, and it has this month's pick for board books, and then you turn it around and it has this month's picks for picture books. Like I said, I don't know if they sent picture books, board books, or both, but then it just tells you the title of each book. It looks like this. So this one is for board books, and I think this is the title of the books, and then you turn it around, and then this would be for the picture books. I think they sent board books though, because they sent 3, and it shows 3 of these. Oh my gosh, I almost don't even want to open these, you guys, because I want the kids to open them. They're wrapped so cute. I'm gonna unwrap the biggest one first. Oh, how cute. Okay, so these are board books, and this is the first book, and it's a peekaboo on the farm with flaps, and I love flap books, you guys. So look how cute. Oh, how do I open this flap? Oh, here we go. How cute is that? So they're basically all like that. All the pages are like that, all the same. And honestly, Arabella will love this book, but Kylan will enjoy it just as much. So that's the first book. How cute. Okay, now I'm gonna open this one. And if I didn't mention earlier, they did give me a discount code for you to get 15% off your first month's box. So I will leave that down below. I don't remember if I told you guys or not. So this is an ABC book. How cute. So this is what it looks like on the inside. Not too many words, which honestly that's good, because sometimes Kylan can't even sit through a book with a lot of words in it. So this is perfect. The pictures are so pretty, you guys. Look at the pictures. So cute. So yeah, that's this one. I'll stop going through it. It's an ABC book, and then I don't want to open this one. I really don't. Like, the packaging for this is way too cute. Okay, and this is a Skip Hop book, and that's a brand if you're not familiar with it, which I'm sure a lot of you are. And this is My Backpack, and it's a Lift the Flap book again. So how cute. I love these types of books. So cute. Okay. So yeah, these are the 3 books that we got. I'm so excited for the kids to see these, and we're probably definitely going to read them later. So yeah, these are the 3 books that I got. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I will leave my discount code below. I'll leave the link to that below. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up and comment below. Let me know if you guys are going to try this out or not. I think this is an awesome, fun little way for kids to be excited about reading and enjoy reading. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much, Bookroo, for sending me all these books, and I will see you guys in my next video.
But wherever I go, as far as I roam, I know home is the palm